After a really hot day yesterday, we're just going to take a simple walk by the Tahan river up towards Lubik Simpon, and where there's a beach, and we're going to go for a little swim. First, it's just a short walk down the hill and then wait for a ferry to go over to the other side. Well, we've already paid for our tickets for the national park, so we can just walk straight on to the beach to Lubik Simpon, which is beside the Tahan river. Here it goes, that fateful moment where I learned the hard way that I really should have practiced an awful lot more with the drone before I took it anywhere near trees. Oh well. I spent an hour pulling on the vines on the trees trying to shake that thing down, but it wouldn't budge. It was lost forever. On our last day we wanted to go to Lata Berkoh. It was a boat trip which could take 4 people. It was quite dear, I think £45 for the boat, but we never managed to get anybody else to share, so we just went by ourselves. It turned out to be the best decision ever, and really pleased with this trip. Most people doing this trip leave at 9:30, but we had the option to go at whatever time we liked, so we opted for 9 AM. Again, really good decision because it meant we had the waters all to ourselves. There was nobody in front of us when we got to Lata Berkoh, there was nobody there. Just brilliant, really good idea.
tip, if you're doing this tour, most of them go at 9:30, but we chose to go at 9. We got there a little bit before, which means there's nobody here, just us. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. So it's only a short walk, 20 minutes I think, and we're here.